the murmurs were that it was Sanjay Yadav ji who was constantly advising Tejasvi Yadav ji on what to do and wasn't the best decision. Okay, you say it's okay. There's nothing wrong with that.
No, I'll tell you. Probably, I don't know whether you have interacted with Tejasvi ji or not. Whether you have interviewed.
It's limited.
I'll tell you. I've worked with many people. Lalu ji had a fantastic mind and his way of picking up things or listening to people. Tejasvi ji, I have not seen a better listener than him. I'm yet to see. Yes, results were not according to our perception. I myself was away, and my father was actually being treated for a very advanced stage cancer.
I'm sorry.
I was not there, but I was watching everything. We never imagined this results. I'm telling you very frankly.
So you're saying he was not ill-advised.
No, 2 elections I'm yet to come to terms with. My Bihar election and Maharashtra election.
Okay, so he was not ill-advised. Should he have left for a foreign holiday?
No. Preeti ji.
This is a valid question.
No.
The people who have voted Tejasvi ji would want to know that he takes off on a holiday after a loss like this.
To your ill-advised or advice. A leader has to look at multiple things. He could be picking up 3 from here, 2 from here. At times, these 3 and 2, 5 could be all productive. At times, 3 could not deliver or 2 could not deliver. But a leader also takes time in coming to terms. We are undergoing that process. I'm assuring you, and will come stronger. And I repeat what I had told 2 important people in 2010. We'll change ourselves, and that change will not be reinvention of the wheel. Number 1. Number 2, do we realize for past 18 months Tejasvi ji was on roads? Almost every second night he was in a district headquarter or commissionery headquarter.
So you're saying he's earned the holiday?
No, I don't. These are corporate terms, earning the holiday. And I'm just saying that the results came and he'll be there with the people. He knows what his mandate says.
I'm only quoting Shivanand Tiwari ji, who says LOP should have been in Bihar.
Through you, I'm assuring him also that Bihar next election is after 5 years. We'll be with the people. I'm telling you, in their struggle, in their fight. Now, small thing I wish to share. This 10,000 rupees, it was through whisper or what we call in propaganda, grapevine, that 2 lakh rupees is in the offing for any enterprise. We'll work towards that. Women of Bihar shouldn't be cheated by one-time payment.
It's the larger perception, Manoj ji. It is leaders, old leaders from, your own party, which is Shivanand Tiwari, saying what you do. Many would suggest you're being very graceful, but says that you've been completely distanced from the core team, which is Tejasvi ji.
You know the reality.
No, I'm giving you examples. And then you have a Rohini Acharya ji, who actually goes on to say that violence was used against her in her own house.
I'll tell you.
Optics, important in politics.
Give the family to resolve things on their own. They'll resolve it. I know this family. I know Lalu ji. I know Tejasvi ji. I know all the sisters. They are capable of resolving it on their own, and very soon it shall be resolved.
There's no succession battle within the family.
The
propaganda that you speak of, the grapevine.
No. I'll tell you something which we miss. We are in a democracy, yet our terminologies are drawn from monarchy. What is succession?
But
a person who has won the election, got his MLAs elected, has gone into a fresh election. Maybe the success is not at that level, but at the same time, there is no dispute about it, and rest for all other things, people will sit down and resolve. I think they have the maturity, they have the wisdom, including Sivanand ji. His advices are well taken.